Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhayati binti Zari. So we go to the roles and responsibility. There are 4 members. First is Siti Hafiza as a project manager, leading project planning sessions, managing large and diverse teams, managing project progress and adapt work as required. Next is me, Nurhayati, as an executive manager, guide employee through their development, develop department-wide reports on progress, and develop long-term goals for development. Next is Siti Syuhada as an IT team lead, maintains information technology strategy, research and implement technological strategic solutions, recommends information technology strategy, policy, and procedure by evaluation organization outcomes. And the last one is Adila Shaira as a training manager, implement effective and purposeful trainings methods, effectively manage the training budget, assess employee skill, performance and productivity to identify areas of improvements.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Syuhada binti Musabri. So now I will explain about the company background. The company that has been chosen by this group is Ramli Food Processing Sdn Bhd. Datuk Haji Ramli bin Mu'ni and Datuk Haja Salasia binti Abdul Manap launched the company in 1984 to create halal, clean and quality items. The company owns a processing plant in Mukim Batu, Kuala Lumpur's SNE Industrial Park. The company placed a greater emphasis on high-quality halal foods that are simple to utilize nowadays. The goal of this company is to establish a halal Western fast food franchise in Malaysia which is both clean and of high quality. Last 3 decades, Ramly Food has been a popular homegrown brand in Malaysia. It has surpassed the RM1 billion mark in sales. Datuk Ramli Mu'ni plans to export Ramly Food products worldwide. Ramly Food currently exports its products to Asia such as Thailand, Indonesia and Cambodia. They also intend to export their products to countries in Southeast Asia like Vietnam and Philippines.
My name is Nur Adila Shahira binti Zainabidin. So now I will continue the mission and vision Ramli Food Processing Sdn Bhd. The mission is achieve excellence in the business target and the vision is to produce halal, clean and quality product. Next, this is the objective Ramli Food. So first, provide halal fast food options to Muslim and the community at large. Next, build an organization dedicated to excellence. Next, consistently deliver superior quality and value in our product and service. And next, maintain a commitment to innovation for continuous improvement and growth, striving always to be the leader in the marketplace change. And next, generate constantly superior financial returns and benefit our employee. And then, this is the organizational chart. So the founder is the Datuk Dr. Haji Ramli Mu'ni and Datin Hajah Salasia Abdul Manap, and they are director, executive director and managing director.
Go to the industry type. The type of company is limited company. For industry is fast food industry, and the last one sector is private sector.
The core products from Ramly Food Processing are burger patties, nuggets, minced meat, sausage, and also fried chicken. The state of this product were frozen.
Okay, next is contact details. First is HQ company locations at Mukim Batu Cave. For HQ company customer service, customer can contact through phone or email. And the last one is HQ company websites.
Next is strategy analysis. So first, I will explain about the internal business environment for business process. Ramly Food grown rapidly in a factory located at Bandar Tun Razak and now it is manufactured at ITS582 Mukim, Kuala Lumpur. This factory is operating in 2019 with a cost of RM1 billion. Ramly Food produces fast food such as burger and frozen food like frankfurter, nuggets, meatballs, fried chicken, buns and mayonnaise. Ramly Food has a high performance and sophisticated machine tools so that products will be more quality compared to the other brand. Ramly Food has their own franchise in order to reach their customer which located at Bandar Tun Razak, Close Central, Taman Serapai and many more. Ramly Food Processors Berhad can increase their profitability or revenue easily because there is 9 Ramly Halal made in Peninsular Malaysia. This is the list of Ramly's products which are burger, preferred nuggets, chicken and mincemeat. Next is SWOT analysis of Ramly Food. First, I will explain the strength. First, Ramly Food is a recognizable brand. Ramly Food is a company known widely by the people, especially in Malaysia. For example, their burger can be found at burger stores operating at night at many parts of cities and villages in Malaysia. For many years, this burger stall exists in popular hotspots such as universities, housing area and many other populated areas. Second, Ramly Food has a strong production to produce variety of product selections. As Ramly Food has 36 years of experience in food industry, the company has variety of product that has evolved quite nicely from only burger stall to a product manufacturer and getting stronger day by day. Their dedication in providing a good quality and halal meat to the consumer can be seen throughout their journey and their development of ideas to create a better business opportunity. Lastly, Ramly Food has the recognition of Halalan Thayyibah. Halalan Thayyibah merely means allowed and permissible for consumption with relation to Sharia law as long as they are safe and not harmful. There are 3 areas that require Ramly Food compliance with Halalan Thayyibah standards, which including transportation of goods or cargo chain activities, warehousing and other related activities, and lastly retailing. Thus, Muslim and non-Muslim consumers are feel at ease to enjoy Ramly products. Next is sweetness. First, Ramly Food is lack of Ramly Halal Mart in Malaysia. In Malaysia, there are only 9 Ramly Halal Mart which available in Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya, Selangor and Pahang with a retail store while not the others area in Malaysia. In this case, for instance, some customers who live in Johor Bahru will feel dissatisfaction as they cannot experience Ramly Halal Mart if the mart does not available in their areas. Then, these customers only can buy Ramly products from Ramly's distribution channels such as Tesco. Second, Ramly Food is lack of advertising strategy. Ramly Food does not advertise their product to promote their brand and product use TV commercial, social media, radio and also advertise on newspaper. Ramly Food also does not advertising on its halal certified products in order to penetrate the Muslim community and market on Muslims. Lastly, Ramly Food is an unhealthy food production. Ramly Food is largely form of high calorie, salt and fat processed foods. Such processed foods offering prompt protest by organizations that fight obesity and hence decrease Ramly Food popularity. This is because consumers who take care for their health often opt out for healthier choices. Next, move to the opportunities. First, Ramly Food needs new product innovation. Ramly Food equipped with a variety of infrastructure and facilities such as product research laboratory and product development department. So, Ramly Food has huge opportunities to market the new products to the consumers. Furthermore, because of the Ramly products are very familiar in the Malaysian market, most customers will be interested to try Ramly's product because customers always want to try new products that exist in the market. Second, Ramly Food can increase demand for healthier food. While demand for healthier food increase, Ramly Food could introduce more healthy food choices in its business and reveal its weakness into strength. Third, Ramly Food should aggressive on its advertising strategy. Advertising can help Ramly Food to persuade audience, either viewers, readers or listeners to purchase or try on their products. Ramly Food may use traditional media and digital media, especially social media platforms, to attract customers. Lastly, Ramly Food should expand Ramly Halal Mart in various areas. This is because current Ramly Halal Mart location only in Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya, Selangor and Pahang, while not the other areas in Malaysia. In order to satisfy customer experience of visiting Ramly Halal Mart, Ramly Food need to open Ramly Halal Mart in various areas such as Johor Bahru, Kelantan, Perak and many more. By open more Ramly Halal Mart in those areas, Ramly Food can target even more broad range of customers and also increase its brand reputation. Lastly is traits. First, trend toward healthy eating. Due to government and various organizations attempt to fight obesity and reduce calorie, people are becoming more conscious of eating healthy food rather than what Ramly Food has mainly to offer in its product. Thus, Ramly Food has to introduce new product innovation with healthy food choices in its business. Lastly, emergence of major fast food competitors. Ramly Food faced trade from other major burger fast food restaurants such as Burger King, McDonald's, A&W, and KFC. This is because these fast food restaurants offer healthier lifestyle products such as vegetarian burger and wraps filled with lean meats and lots of veggies. Moreover, some fast food restaurants offer limited time offers and special may easily switch consumer buying decision to them. Now I will explain value chain analysis. First is primary activities. For inbound logistics, Ramly Food will import nearly 40% of raw material from China such as soybeans and some chicken meat. Other suppliers for frozen meat for Ramly Food is Ukraine, Brazil and Argentina. For operation, production of Ramly Food were done at the Ramly Food Industry Sdn Bhd. Production capacity for each production is 5 tons of raw material per hour. For outbound logistics, Ramly Food used retailers as the intermediaries and consumers. More than 120 wholesalers registered as a subsidiary to distribute Ramly products. For marketing and sales, the marketing medium used by Ramly Food were magazines, newspaper and television. Promotion through media also has been used in these companies such as Facebook and Twitter. Lastly is service. Customer can get discount when purchase Ramly products after customers get the membership card for free. Next is support activities. First is firm infrastructure. Ramly Food has a high-tech plant covers an area of 8 acres of main office and administrative building. The remaining 6 acres are divided into several areas such as high-tech water waste treatment plants. Second is human resource management. Ramly Food focus on having high-caliber employees to build up its research and development team. Most of its employees having a bachelor's degree and above. Third is technology development. Microbiology laboratory conducted by Ramly is to control the quality of the product. It also ensures that the product is pure from raw material selection to finished product and safe to eat. And lastly is procurement. Ramly Food has 2 processing factories at Bandar Tun Razak Industrial Estate Cerais and IKS Industrial Park Mukim Batu, Kuala Lumpur. Ramly Food operates 16 Ramly Halal Mart and 12 Ramly Halal kiosks in Malaysia.
I will continue the external business environment quarter 5 force. First, the threat of new entrants is moderate. The industry is extremely saturated and financial resource linked with construction and real estate are necessary to enter the market. For example, Ramly control distribution channel access, innovation and product differentiation. And next, the threat of substitute product is strong. The substitute typically refer back to Ramly's product or compete with the company product. So this is the opportunity for Ramly Food to join the market aggressively. For example, Ramly Food introduced the new Ramly cheesecake fast food and drink. It is preferred by royalty consumers who have a sweet tooth. Next, the bargaining power of buyer is higher. This is because the customers have a low switching cost and there are several offers available to them. Furthermore, Ramly Food is produce halal Toyiban product, which is their product is 100% is product Muslim. So anybody can consume and buy them. Next, bargaining power of supplier is high. It is because a lot of demand for fast food all around the world. So the Ramly brand is well known not only at our country but also internationally. And lastly is rivalry among existing competitors is high because Ramly Food is compete with big brands like ITS582, McDonald's and Texas Chicken.
Moving on to the external IT environment, Ramly Food Processing has already implemented few industrial revolution 4.0 technologies such as food processing machines, where the machine has capability of producing 30 metric tons per hour. So this can meet the demand from the consumer all over the world. However, there are also another ICT trend that Ramly Food could implement, such as packaging machines. It has been a biggest concern for the consumer when purchasing the products. Currently, Ramly use the normal plastic packaging to wrap the products. However, with the newest technology, which is form fill seal packaging, the products will be more hygienic, has extended shelf life, and it is fully aseptic. The machine has a closed tunnel where the food will be moved, and this will lessen the contamination with the outside environment. The machine also will be fully sanitized using the UV rays that will kill the germs. Then this will make the product has a longer shelf life because it has less contaminations. The product also will be wrapped with the bacteria fighting packaging at the end. Next technology, we have 3D printing, where the product will be printed to customize the food designs, personalize food nutrition, and also broaden the sources of food material. The technology can be implemented in the restaurants such as Ramly kiosk, where the customer can come to the restaurants and use the 3D printing machine to personalize their own meal. For example, burger. Customer can custom the burger with their own preference of nutrients, carbohydrates, and also protein. The usage of 3D printing machine can save times and energy of the user and enforce the creativity of the user. 3D printing machine has 4 types, which are extrusion-based, inkjet-based, binder jetting, and also selective laser sintering. The most suitable type for Ramly food is extrusion-based because this is the only type that produce solid kind of food, while the other focus on powdered materials.
Next is strategic formulation. The first proposed solution is ordering system. Ordering system enable Ramly's customer to make an order through the Ramly's website. When customer visits the order web page, they are presented with an interactive and up-to-date product complete with all available options and dynamically adjusting prices based on the selected options. It can lighten the load on Ramly food as the entire process of taking orders is automated. Once an order is placed, it is entered into the database and then retrieved in pretty much real time. It also allows Ramly food employees to quickly go through the orders that customers place and deliver the necessary items without minimal delay. The second proposed solution is self-ordering kiosk. It gives customers the power to order and pay on their own. The screen will show all the products of Ramly food and customer can select which product that they desire to order. It does not stop with standard checkout units. Customer can also utilize self-ordering kiosk market-style units which can weigh and label out fresh produce with ease. Customer can choose whether to pay cash or via card credit. This will give the power to customer to choose which option that they're comfortable with. Customer can order through the kiosk so it can save customers time from have to queue and wait for their order's turn. The last proposed solution is frozen food vending machine. This vending machine will contain all types of frozen food in Ramly food such as burgers, nuggets, and frankfurter. The storage temperature of the food is customizable and can be adjusted according to the different needs. 4 degrees for the storage of fresh food to negative 18 degrees for freezer mode. It is equipped with a special microwave oven whose settings can be customized to valorize the peculiarity and flavor of each dish. It is easy to use and allow fast heating of foods both fresh and frozen. All the operations take place without the food coming into contact with the outside, ensuring a perfect hygiene while keeping all the freshness of the dish.
Internal IT environments application portfolio. There are 4 application portfolio, which is strategic applications, high potential applications, key operational applications, and the last one is support applications. We go to strategy applications. Ramly use ERP systems. This system is integration of management information system with the organizations. The ERP system integration with the business intelligence software has been successfully utilized at Ramly Food in making strategic decisions. The improved efficiency is undoubtedly the biggest advantage of these ERP implementations. Okay, next is, okay, this is also the strategy applications. Okay, the application use is Ramli use implementing IR 4.0 technologies in their operations. Ramli Food use modern industrial control system, have been embedded software system and dispose of an internet address to connect. This system is ability to produce more than 6 times than the capacity of their current factory. And this is the automated processing and fully robotic components and are regulated using computer. Okay, next is key operational applications. Okay, for key operational applications that sustain the existing business operations, helping to avoid any disadvantage. Okay, Ramly Food joined Foodpanda platform to become a restaurant partner. It allows users to conveniently discover food around their neighborhood and directly order their favorite meals online or via mobile. Uh, Once Ramly food added by Foodpanda, it becomes visible to customer searching for local restaurant. Indirectly, sales will increase for Ramly food industry. Okay, next is high potential applications. Okay, for these high potential applications, it is including application that can be very important to reach future success, but they are still uncurtained. Okay, Ramly Food e-procurement system involve a component of competitions and price analysis. With e-procurements, the interface is more often set up in a way that facilitate commercial transactions with specialized invoicing, purchase order, shipping, and payment tools. It also allows all Ramly Food franchise across the globe to buy everything they need to run their restaurants and communicate when supplies their needs from suppliers through the networks. Okay, next is for support applications. They use a payroll system. The system will provide employer database inquiry, employee database entry or update, and payroll time reporting. The payroll and personal system are developed and maintained by manager. This system manages everything having to do with the process of paying employees and filling employment tests. Next is point of sale for support applications. Ramli Food using Hong Leong Islamic Banking cashless solutions. This terminate in at all the official marts, shop and kiosks. The terminal allows the branch to accept all types of card payment as well as most e-wallet providers such as Boost. Customer who want to buy burger at a roadside burger stall can make a payment transaction quickly and more securely by using point of sale system.
Now I will continue the evaluate solution. The first solution is ordering system. Strength. First is ordering process easier. An online ordering system will help the Rambly food operate run smoothly. And for the modified menu, there will be a vary of menu and customer have a lot of choice, and then a personalized menu will help Rambly brands stand out. And the weakness is lack of trust among the public. It is because the customer cannot view the actual product, so they cannot guarantee that the product is actually good or not. And then unattractive interface. The interface of design website is maybe can unattractive, so that customer will be not use the website and they will be prefer to use another website that will more attractive. and the opportunity change to new normal. Difficult for public in a individual unable to get out. Their only choice is to purchase online and delivery directly to their home. And then the growth opportunity, because the online ordering system is quick and easy, so that it will gain the popularity among the individual, and it tends to Ramly to advertise the food to a large audience while also gaining a new consumer. And the three, is the cheaper price of competitors. So with the online ordering system, the customer can compare the price between Ramly Food and the competitor, and they will choose the cheaper price. And then economic downturn, so the individual have less money to spend on the product because the people are busy to surviving by feeding themselves. Next, the second solution is self-order kiosk. The strength is improve customer satisfaction. Installing self-order kiosk can reduce order time and allow customer to make order quickly. Customer will satisfy with the way how to make order by using a self kiosk. Next, the quicker service. So the self order kiosk can eliminate the problem of customer enter the store and leaving if they see that they are aligned at the counter, seeing they can check out fast and easily using the self order kiosk. And the weakness is equipment malfunction. Machine can be touchy and certain transactions cannot be performed without access by human. And then not understand using the self-order kiosk. Sometimes customer will frustrate if they don't understand how to use the self-order kiosk. And then the opportunity is Ramly Food can improving the customer experience. So by providing them control over information retrieval and check-in or check-out, so customer can know more information about the Ramly Food. And then more digital marketing. So the self or the kiosk can allow the advertisement to be displayed digitally on the attract screen, as well as area of the active kiosk display and on its enclosure, which offer the opportunity to advertise to surround foot traffic. And the weakness is cost issue. So if Ramly Food invest in initial setup and investing in the ongoing maintenance of self order kiosk, maybe it will be hazardous business unless it provides genuine value for money. And then the lack of backlash. So Ramly Food can have opportunity to reduce the I can save money by reduce the the labor cost, but the layoff can be arranged consumer or entire community cause and then it will causing the Ramly brand damage. The third solution is food frozen vending machine. So the strength is reduce or eliminate spoilage. So the food frozen product have considerably longer shelf life than refrigerated food products. And then customized heating. So customer can directly eat the food from Ramly Food by heating the frozen food using the vending machine. And then it is easy to manage. Vending machines are very simple and easy to use because there will be no one to be there to sell the goods. And then the weakness is quantity of product offer. There will be a limited space to keep the frozen food by Ramly Food in the vending machine. So Ramly Food will put a few product from their product in the vending machine, and then customer will all cannot view all the product by the Ramly Food. Then the opportunity is instant lifestyle. So Ramly Food can get opportunity during the instant lifestyle. So nowadays people are live in the instant lifestyle because the people are too busy with their work, so they will like something that they can get by instant. And then next generation mailbox. So this is the opportunity for the Ramly Food use the vending machine as next generation mailbox. The next generation mailbox machine are more efficient than the earlier model. And next is give customers a chance to eat a fresh meal. So this is the opportunity to Ramly Food allow the customer to consume the fresh meal by using a food frozen vending machine. So customer will be enjoy because they can eat the fresh meal by using the vending machine, and then they will be continue to using the vending machine. So the lastly is the treat of food frozen vending machine is increase the percentage share of the rental. So Ramly Food need to pay monthly rental to the so Ramly Food need to pay the monthly rental and the commission to the business that owns the property where the vending machine is placed. So there is a possibility that the business will increase the percentage of rental, and then Ramly Food needs to pay more on the rental and the commission. Next, selection of solution. After evaluate the solution, the selection of solution will be selected. So, food frozen vending machine was chosen as a solution. The reason why food frozen vending machine was chosen as the best solution is it can reduce or eliminate the spoilage, and then food frozen vending machine also can allow the customer to customize heating, and food frozen vending machine is easy to manage. And Ramly Food also can get the opportunity by using the vending machine. So first, they can get an opportunity in instant lifestyle, and Ramly Food also can get opportunity to become the next generation mailbox. And then Ramly Food can get opportunity to give their customer eat the fresh meal by using the vending machine.
Okay, we go to the descriptions of evaluate solutions. Okay, we suggest that Ramly Food provide vending machines for frozen foods. The general use were differentiations and cost leader. Okay, we go to differentiation first. Okay, for the differentiations, should be applied the product or service offered by the business deliver different benefits than the products offered by the competitor. So Ramli need to buy or rent the vending machines. Okay, then since Ramli Foods is a fast food product and their product, especially Ramli Burger, is that they are best eaten at night. So by providing the 24 hours vending machines in Malaysia with hot meals, drink and snack, customer can get anytime and anywhere of Ramly for product. Okay, for vending machine also can reduce the overhead cost by not hiring the staff and will indirectly increase the profit of Ramly Foods. It also creating a sustainable competitive advantage for the business. Okay, next we go to the cost leaderships. Okay, for cost leadership, strategy should be applied is either by gaining market share through lowering price or by maintaining average cost and increase the profits. Okay, among the firms that sell fast food product, Ramly Food offer unparalleled level of low price and high convenience. Extremely successful with this strategy by offering fast food product at low price for Ramly Foods. Vending machine is a good investment for Ramly Food to sell their product at the cheapest price and placed outside grocery store or other retail outlets. In terms of profitability, vending machines for frozen foods can bring more profit to Ramly Food or Ramly Burger. That's all from me. Thank you.
Implementation planning focuses on the planning to finish the project within the duration that has been agreed between the clients and also the team members. We have the task, the duration, and also the resources. For the task, we have 5 phases, which are requirements, analysis, design, implementation, and evaluation. In requirement phase, we have tasks of interviewing the client, identify the problems, and identify the requirements, and it will be done by Siti Hafiza and also Nurul Hayati. Next, in the analysis phase, we have a task of analyze the requirements, and it will be conducted by Siti Hafiza, Nurul Hayati, and also Siti Shuhaida. And then in the third phase, which are design, there is task of designing the machine and also analyze the functional machines. And the name of the resources is Siti Shuhaida and also Adila Shahira. And next, we have implementation phase where there is a task of coding and also building the machines. Then we have testing phase and also training. It will be done by Siti Shuhaida and also Adila Shahira. In the training, Adila Shahira will do the task because she is the training manager. Lastly, we have evaluation where we will fix the error and bugs if it occurs on the machines. And it will be done by Siti Shuhaida and also Adila Shahira. Lastly, we have documentation where we will document all the related about the project, and it will be done by all of the team members. Implementation budget is the budget when implementing the proposed solutions. It consists of expense category and also the amount. For the expense category, we have the ongoing costs, which are the salaries of the team members. And then we have equipment, where we use the equipment such as laptop to design the machines. And then we have direct costs, and we have indirect costs, which consists of utilities, maintenance, and also training. And lastly, we have the software used to implement the proposed solutions. And the total expense came out about 105,783 ringgit. For the conclusion section, we have the feedback and recommendation sections. For the feedback, I think the vending machine can increase the sales of the company, and it also have low overhead where there is no need to employ another staff to guard the vending machines. And the vending machine also is easy to manage as it only need to be maintained around twice a year or once a year, depending on the machine's conditions. And for the recommendation, I will recommend the vending machine to use solar energy for its source of electricity. This is because using the solar is more eco-friendly and it can reduce the carbon dioxide emitted to the atmosphere, and it also can reduce the pollution.
In conclusion, companies must be able to identify their strength and weakness to channel the right strategy that can be used as the competitive advantage in their respective industry. Ramly Food is a very experienced company in Malaysia and had been using very effective marketing and business strategy in doing their business. The competitive advantage of this firm is very unique to be compared with the other big fast food chains company. However, it is recommended for them to utilize the other scope in marketing strategy with deeper understanding to fully realize their potential.
For the summary project, Ramly Food has its own internal business environment where Ramly Food use SWOT analysis. According to value chain analysis, Ramly Food is the market-leading food frozen product in terms of market share and sales. The management used 5 Porter force to understand how the 5 competing forces impact profitability. Ramly Food also implemented application portfolio, which is high potential application, key operational application, and support application. For ICT trends of Ramly Food, there are form fill seal packaging and 3D printing solution. Under strategic formulation, there is the 3 proposed system for Ramly Food, which is online ordering system, self-kiosk ordering, and food frozen vending machine. The tool that is being used to evaluate solution is the SWOT analysis. After evaluate the solution, the proposed solution has been chosen, which is a food frozen vending machine. And under strategy implementation, it focuses on the detail of the solution, implementation planning, and implementation budget.